Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muhaizat Muhammad and my member Muhammad Salihuddin Zainal Mazri and Muhammad Lokman. Today we would like to present about Semantic Web. Let's we go.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Salihuddin bin Zainal Mazri. Today I would like to present about Semantic Web. Okay, what is the Semantic Web? Semantic Web is referred to the one of the technology that provide a transformative vision for the World Wide Web. It as a web primarily designed for the human consumption, enable machine to understand and process the information. When we talk about Semantic Web, in terms of the Semantic Web, it include with others technology, which is we have RDF, Resource Description Framework, ontologies, web ontologies language, and Spark, which is protocol and RDF query language, and also we have a linked data principle. By having this technology, Semantic Web is more to the intelligent, interconnected. It also have a web of data and facilitate data integration and automation, and also have a discovery of the data. Next, we go through the descriptive of the topic. For this topic, W3C semantic web activity refer to the work and initiative performed by the World Wide Web Consortium related to the development and standard of the technologies and specification related to the semantic web. In the W3C, WTC is one of standard organization for the World Wide Web to dedicate furthering the semantic web desire through its semantic web activity. As we can see here, this is W3C. This is of main page W3C. It have a key component of the technology. As I mentioned before, we have RDF, we have ontologies, we have open linked data and others. Okay, we go through to the descriptive of the topic web. As I mentioned before, in W3C, we find a lot of tool that have semantic web. We choose open link virtuoso. What is the open link virtuoso? Open link virtuoso is a flexible and effective software platform for data management, integration, and discovery. In the open link virtuoso, it also support RDF, Resource Description Framework, and link data for the semantic data querying, interaction with relational database. In the open link virtuoso, based on our research, it have a lot of information to the user, which is provide the data visualization to the user. And in the open link virtuoso also, it have a key component, for example ontologies and others. Next, we go through to the structure of open link virtuoso. For this structure, it have a triple store, which is dedicated database for keeping RDF triple, which is a part of virtuoso. It also has a subject predicate object statement to create RDF triple, the building element for storing semantic data. Next, we have SPA RQL, which is allow user to using the SPA RQL query language to query the RDF data. User can use this to retrieve data from the triple store according to the specific criteria. In open link virtuoso, it have a data visualization, which is enable to the user to access and search various data sources as to they were all part of the integrated platform. And then we have web service are included with Virtuoso to make connecting to the platform easy. Developer can use this service to create apps, connect Virtuoso with other system and use Virtuoso feature. And the last one, we have a structure of the open link Virtuoso. Reliable deployment strategies Virtuoso can be implemented on the several platform. When we talk about reliable deployment strategies Virtuoso, open link Virtuoso is offer to the user how service they can use, which is we have a cloud. I mean a service in terms of keeping the data, which is to use a physical directly to keeping the data, which is a database server, and then to use a cloud-based service.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muhammad. Today I will continue to tell about the objective of the Semantic Web. Let's go. First, the objective of the Semantic Web is to delve into revolutionary concepts and technologies that underpin this visionary extension of the worldwide. This is mean that the Semantic Web will give all information to the user around the world. Next, to deepen understanding about how the Semantic Web address the limitation of the traditional web, where information is predominantly designed for human consumption. As we know, the old or traditional web only have limited information. So for this Semantic Web have a lot of information that help user to find the information that they want. Next, to highlight the potential transformative impact the Semantic Web on various domains, from data integration and automation to the development context-aware application. So, for Semantic Web, the application is integrated to supply information to the user. Next, to equip learner with the knowledge, comprehend, analyze, appreciate significance, the Semantic Web is shaping the future information exchange and intelligence system on the internet. So, for the Semantic Web, it will provide the information that related to the search, because the Semantic Web is very intelligent system on the internet. Next is to empower students to recognize the potential of these technologies in solving real world challenge. For example, we have many issues in the world. So for the Semantic Web, it will help the learner or the user to solve their problem. Next, we go to the methodology of Semantic Web. Based on our research methodology, we found that Semantic Web involves a systematic approach to comprehensively cover the theoretical concept and practical application of this transformative web extension. Then, the methodology also to establish a foundation of understanding involve exploring key research papers, articles, and authoritative sources that provide insights into the historical context, development, and principle of the Semantic Web. The methodology also emphasizes clarity in conveying this concept, potentially incorporating visual aids, example, and comparison to enhance the comprehension. Next, the methodology also as a case study and example of successful implementation should be included to demonstrate the practical impact of Semantic Web technologies in various domains. And the last one is methodology also encourage critical thinking by prompting students to discuss challenge, limitation, and potential future development in the Semantic Web. Okay, for the next slide, we will go to the relation to digital information service and searching. What is the relationship to digital information service and searching? We go at the first. The first relationship is the relationship between the Semantic Web and digital information services is particularly in the context of searching, is symbiotic and transformative. Next, semantic web technologies also play a pivotal role in enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of digital information services, revolutionizing the way information is organized, query, and retrieved. Next, the relationship also as a semantic web introduced a structured approach to data representation using RDF ontologies and like data principles. Semantic web also impact on digital information services extend beyond search capabilities. Next, the relationship to digital transformation services and searching also semantic web enhance the potential of personalized and context-driven digital information services. And the last one, the relationship also included the integration of the semantic web principle into digital information services also facilitate the creation of intelligent recommendation system. Next, we go to the benefit of digital information services. What is the benefit of digital information services? Okay, first, the benefit of digital information services is digital information services provide a multiple of benefit that significantly enhance the management, accessibility, and utilization of information to this digital age. Next, digital platform facilitate remote collaboration by providing tools for sharing and editing documents, enhancing teamwork and knowledge exchange. Next, we have digital information services prioritize security, implementing robust measures to protect sensitive information. And the last one, the benefit of digital information is digital information services encompass efficiency, cost saving, collaboration, and environmental responsibility, collectively shaping a more than streamlined and accessible information landscape.
I will starting on the current development on evolving on semantic web. So basically based on our research, we noticed there are one project currently still in the development, which is the project we call is solid project. So actually this project it is initiated by Sir Tim Berners-Lee. So Sir Tim Berners-Lee is a pioneering effort in the realm of the semantic web. So it is focused on redefining for the whole internet data management by implementing for POD. POD it is means personal online data store. So this POD it is a decentralized repository that adhering to the linked data principles. So the project that utilizes this RDF and also Spark Q for data representation, and also for the retrieval, for promoting interoperability, and among the applications. And as a Solid is also prioritize user centricity, also granting individual full control over their data. So a departure from decentralized approaches on this project. So for the next slide, which is the contribution of the contribution to the enhancement of the digital information services relating to the semantic web later. So on this, I could relate also with Solid project. So sorry, okay. So on contribution to the enhancement of the digital information services that are relating to the semantic web, it's still interrelated with a Solid project. So what I could mention here is Solid is significantly the application that contribute to the enhancement of the digital information services by actively align with the W3C semantic initiatives. So this project implement and advocate for semantic web or standards. So it will be utilizing RDF and linked data principle to organize and connect the data within the Solid ecosystem. So this collaboration with W3C and also Solid will be strengthen the Solid legitimacy. So beside that, it will be also ensuring their compliance with globally accepted principle. So what I can share on academic perspective, it is more highlighted to the practical application of the W3C standards in Solids. So on this, it will be offering valuable insight relationship between Solid and also W3C advanced semantic web technologies. So on this, Solid will be making an appealing topic for scholars interested in the practical use of semantic web principles in digital information management. And for the next slide is lesson learned. So on lesson learned, we got three main titles that applicable on this semantic web topics. So among the main title that we segregate, which is interoperability and integration, and for the second one is data context and meanings, and for the last one is machine understanding and automations. So on this solid project affiliation with the W3C Semantic Web Initiative will be offered the practical insight for the semantic web field. So one of the crucial lesson is the important for adhering to the standardized principles. So as seen in solid effective integration of the W3C standard like RDF and also for linked data. So on this, it will be emphasize the practical consequences and also advantage of implementing established norms in our real world scenarios. So that's all from our presentation. Thank you to our Prof. Zah. So thank you. That's all from me and also from my team.